Okay, what we have here is a video I've created to show you how to log into your site. So as per the link I gave you, industrialhealthmatters.com.au/wp-login brings you this particular page. You then put your username and password in that I gave you. You add that up and you log in. So just wait a moment while the browser refreshes to bring you to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of your website, of your WordPress website. I know it may look overwhelming initially, but there's nothing to worry about here. We've put in brute protect to help keep hackers out of your site. So the security plugin is in place for you. Now, to get to the site so you can actually work it, this is how I prefer to work it. I go back up to the top and I remove wp-admin, so it just becomes the domain name. When you do that, you then see the site as it would appear live. So what we have here is your homepage, and I've put all these extra links that you wanted in as well. So everything has been done on your site plus more. You actually do still need to add copy in to the disclaimer page, privacy policy. At the moment there's not much there except the latest work. So we go into edit page, and editing your content is very easy. Here we have the home page, content. So you can easily start to edit here. So for example, under training I place to find out more about our services, please call us today on, let's just pull your site up again in the live view. And there is no contact us on, there it is, the contact us page. So I will grab your mobile and place it here today on 03, and I will make that italics and bold and save. So the blue button that I've pressed here always must be pressed on to save any changes that you've done on the content area of the page. This is critical and key to updating the content on your on the page. So if we go back to home and take a look at it in its live view, there you go. That's the new line that I've added in to a call to action to encourage people to call you. Now it's important to have a link, a hyperlink on every page, and what this means is a phrase to link. This needs to be corrected. Get rid of the extra commas. And unnecessary spaces. So you'll need to go through and sort that out. This is taken straight from the Word file from the copywriter. Okay, so if we go to licensed, no, we won't go there, we'll go to asbestos containing materials, and it's important to have an internal link on every page, and I'll leave that for you to do. So for example, we'll go to your services, and there is a section on asbestos management. You click on that and it brings up the pages that have information about asbestos. We'll click onto that icon to take you to the landing page, and then we pick up this domain name because it has /portfolio/asbestos management plan, and everything after portfolio/ is a keyword I've used for that particular page. Then we go back to the home page and you click on this icon here that says, when you hover over it, it reads insert edit link. So we want to insert the link. So when people click on that phrase, it will take them straight to the asbestos management plan page, and I will call it asbestos management plan being a keyword, and always click this button here, open link in a new window, because you want the tab that they are in where they're viewing a site, when they click on that link, it will open up a new tab on the browser, so it keeps two pages open so they can get easily into your site at any time. You know that the hyperlinks worked because it's become purple now. We update. Still scrolling, and it's saved now. So if we go back to the other tab where it's already open, we'll go to Home and scroll down, and you'll see that the highlighted text is in yellow, and when you hover over it, it's grey. So that's the hyperlink that's active now. You can see the box that comes up which reads Asbestos Management Plan. This is good for search engine optimization. And when you click on it, it will take you straight to that page in your services section. So that's how easy it is to add a hyperlink in. Now we'll go back to the main page, and we'll want to go to the dashboard now so I can show you how to change the wording on your header image with the slider. So we go to, I believe it's Flexi Slider, and if we go to slide 3, edit, scroll down, that's not the one. Let me try and take a look at slide 2 on Flexi Slider. That's not the one either. So it would be, I'd say, sequence sliders. So if we scroll down and go to slide 3, edit. That's better. This is the one that you see on the home page. So I've called it Work Health and Safety Sydney because there's keywords there that the bots will pick up on in time. Now, when we go to slide 3, we've used the image, that cave-like image, or the tunnel, which is on the home page, being this one. So if you want to change the copy here, you need to be very careful. You can see where the words are placed. So you're welcome to change these words only. If you break any of the coding, I will be charging you extra to fix anything that's damaged on the site from here on, because it's just causing extra work that we don't need. So if you go through it carefully, you'll be able to safely change those words to read it what you want it to. So you can change it, update it, view the home page. That's the image there. If it's not right, then you can just go back and change it again, and that's how easy it is to do that. Now we'll go to the services page and we'll edit this page. Right. It's just got code in there that brings in the portfolio. So what you want to do is go to portfolio in the vertical navigational bar here, all portfolios. We'll click on that. And you'll see this is the list of all the portfolios that are on the services page. So that's 15 items. And if we go to services, you will see there are 2 pages, and that will equal to be 15 images. So to add another portfolio, all you need to do is add new. So we'll click add new, and this comes up. I would recommend going to the dashboard on another tab as well. Go to portfolio and let's take a look at hazardous material analysis, edit. And you'll find the titles there. The keyword I've used is hazard analysis. It has some traffic volume to that keyword. It's mentioned in the copy. There are links already made here, and there's an excerpt as well. Now it's important that you do give us a description here that will appear under the image, and this is the featured image that's been used for that portfolio section. So it's important to add in a featured image. So we can, and the way to do this is I can remove this featured image now, set featured image, which takes you to your media gallery that we've added quite a lot of images to. We go to the media, this is a media gallery, and I just search for the image that I've deleted, which is this one here, and I'll use that name in the alt text as well. It's important to fill the alt text out because this is what the Google bots read. Set featured image, and you find that it's reappeared again. It's important to pick a category, and because this is hazardous material, it could fall also into asbestos management and workplace hazards, for example, an update. So that's how easy it is to add in images and how to add a new portfolio item for all the future photos that you want to add in of the jobs that will be coming your way. So if we go to services, and that's the one that we've looked at, hazardous material analysis. So if you click onto this icon here, that acts as a gallery. So it shows the detail of the picture. And this icon here, you click on that to go to the landing page. So that little section that I said we need to put an intro, that's where that goes. Project overview, project details, and these are the categories that have been added in. And that's the style of the design. So launch project just takes you to this page. And these are the hyperlinks that are within this copy. So it's a lovely design. It's very easy to use, very visual. The visitors will like it. And I have to show you how to add in blogs. So at the moment the blog here are just the template blogs. I've left 2 there for you to work with. So You could just leave this image and use it and have a mention about building sites. That's the finished result. Oh, here we are. We already have some information in here. And I will let you work on that and rewrite it. So what we do in here is we go to, just what the post is, OHS New South Wales. So I'll go into, we're on the landing page of this particular blog. It says it's the 17th of January 2014. So I'll go to edit post. Now the blog is different to the pages. So for the blog, all the articles are referred to as posts. So when you click onto posts in the vertical navigational bar here, you'll find that there are 2 posts, actually that there are 4, which are part of the theme. So I'll view this one here. I believe this is the one that has some relevant content on it. It does. Great. So I'll edit this post and change the name to OH. Actually, I'll change it to read this with a dash OHS New South Wales, as that's a keyword. And then I will make the permalink OHS-NSW, so it's captured. And if you want to make this bold or italic, you can make bold, italic there. It gives you that option. Bold and an italic there, so that can stand out a little bit more. Or you may want to change the text color. In this case, I will leave it for now. You may want to make this italic, and that's the information on that article. So the way to, just take a look further down. Now the way to save this is, we've got here published January the 17th, 2014, which it hasn't. So what we'll do is we'll make it January the 17th and instead change it to 2015. The beauty about this is, if you do get very busy, you can actually write up, say, 10 articles and publish it all in one day. The ideal scenario is to have 1 article published per week to maximize your search engine optimization visibility on the internet. And the Google bots love fresh content. Now, all the content on your site has to be unique. Anything that's copied will de-rank your site. It'll drop in rankings. And if there's a lot of copied content, you will be hit with the Panda penalty algorithm. And it's very hard to recover once you're hit with any of the algorithms. So now that the date is changed, we'll press OK and then update. I'm just waiting for the file to save and refresh on the browser. And I'll go back to another tab, remove the extension on the domain name, back to that so I can see the home page. We'll go into news, and you will see now Occupational Health and Safety New South Wales OH&S, which is perfect. So the Latin's gone. That's correct now, and some of the information is captured, and read more. So it's a very nice design, and it's brought us to the services page. So we go to news, actually read more. Just go back to the landing page. Okay, something, OH&S, right. There's a bit of a confusion there. So what I need to do is go in, actually go back to the post and change this to read health safety -ohs OK. You are never to duplicate the keyword in the permalink. It needs to be unique. So I've changed it now, and you'll find that the link will work perfectly. Just waiting for it to update. And if we go, I'll refresh the browser so it then shows the update. And now if I click on to read more, it takes you to the landing page so you can read the full article that's underneath the photo. Once again, I will leave that for you to correct. As you know, content the best. The Contact Us page, I've used that map for now. Please test the form to make sure that's working and that you are receiving it, and drop me an email if you are not. I will be removing this newsletter feed. It's not relevant for the site, so I'll get Brianne to do that. So we'll go to Edit Page and Contact Us. Right, nothing's visible there, so what we do then is go to the vertical navigational bar where it says Contact Forms. Every theme is, and every WordPress site is different. So what we have here is Contact Form 1. I'll go to Edit. Interesting. That's not quite the detail that I was looking for. I'll click onto Contact Forms. It looks like it's much the same. Yeah. And I'll need to create another little video to find where the contact details are. I thought that would be a very obvious space, but it's not. And we'll go back to the site. And I'll show you how to add images to your site. So if you go to, say, About Us, it's easy enough to change this information. Go to Edit Page. And to add an image, you go to Add Media, Upload Files, Select Files, and I'll use this screenshot I have here on my desktop of the universe. And I'll change the description to universe. And it's always important to have an appropriate description in your alt text as well. You'll find that it's now part of your media gallery, and insert into page. So it's inserted into page at actual size. You then click on the image. You press on the pencil icon to change the size. You may want to put a caption in. I have it at full size. So I want to customize the size and make it say thumbnail, very small, and I'll update. And as you can see, it's there. I'll go back in to edit it and align left. Advanced options. Nothing's necessary there. So I've chosen left, thumbnail, and it's a media file. Update. And you'll see that the copy has surrounded it automatically. So when I click on the update button for your About Us page, and go back to the site so I can see it, click on the About Us page, and there you have it, the image that's added in to this particular page. Now I don't want it there, so the way to delete it is very easy. You click on the image, you press the cross, update. I thought I'd show you so you can add a nice portrait of yourself into the About Us page, as you are well known in your industry, and will give you good credibility as well. So I'm sure that's updated now. We'll go back to the About Us page, click on the button so the page refreshes. And there you go, the copy's gone back to normal and the image is removed. And it's great having this area here, so that way people can just scroll across to see the different services on any page they are. Like I said, I'll get that removed. And the only other thing I need to do is find out where this detail is on the Contact Us page so that you can change it at any time at your convenience. Blog is very easy to do. Just remember that they are posts. You need to go into your dashboard in the vertical navigational bar. You go to posts, and to add a new post, you can scroll up the top where it says add new, or just add new there. And that's how easy it is to manage your website. Enjoy rewriting the copy and improving it. Just remember that the extensions that I've used on the services section, they are keywords. They have traffic related to it, and it's very important that the content that you write on the page does reflect the meaning. So for contaminated land, we'll go back to that landing page and it says environmental audit. So it's important to have environmental audit mentioned in the copy, mentioned in the heading, and mentioned at least twice in the body copy. And it's important to have at least 300 to 400 words per page. Anything less, you're likely to be hit with a penalty algorithm, which will drop you in the ranks on the search engines. Google is looking more and more for a great user experience, and quality and unique content is critical for any website. So enjoy managing your website. I hope you found this video useful, and if anyone needs more help on this theme or any others, or assistance with search engine optimization or a website build, or social media management and understanding, you're welcome to call me on 02 9569 6580, and you'll find my website at Website Design in Sydney. Remember that there is an in the domain name, so it's Website Design in Sydney, and you know you're on the right page when you see the website come up with this. And I do recommend that you add in your name and your email to download my free report that has good quality information on what's required within a website and what the mistakes are that people make. And be sure to like me on my Google Plus page and also on my Web Design in Sydney Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this little